Hi everyone, this is Natasha from Customer Success at Actionstep, and I'm just going to take you through how we create a participant custom list view. So we go to our admin screen and we can see custom list views. We click on custom list views, we can see there are a range of different views we can create, and at the moment we're going to look at the contact list view. We're going to create a new list. So we click on our green Create New List button and we have to give our list a name. So I would like to see all the clients who would like to receive our newsletter, and I'm going to export them to MailChimp, where we send out our newsletters from. So this might be a report that I generate once a month. Now this is in relation to our contacts, so it will appear under the contact main menu. I'm going to make it visible just to the administrator for now, and I want it to include all participants. So I'm going to leave all of these filters empty, so it will include everything. Okay, so these are a list of predefined columns that we have. Now I don't need to see their addresses, but I do want their email. Don't need to see their phone numbers. I don't need to see if they have a login. So I'm going to delete those columns. So we just click on our tick boxes and hit delete. Okay, so this is going to give me participant IDs, any relations, display name, email, and the type of participant they are. However, it's not telling me if they want to be included in my newsletter. And this is something that I collect on each client as we enter them into the system as custom data. So I'm going to add that column and I'm going to put it at position 350 after their name. So the default position will be 350, and I'm going to label it newsletter. Now it is custom data, so my data source will be custom data, and I have called my actual custom data newsletter. So if I just search for newsletter, I can see it here. So this is my custom data field that I created. I'm going to add that and hit save. Okay, now we can see our newsletter field. Now if I click on preview, it'll give me a preview of my report. Now of course this is going to include everyone, even if they haven't signed up to my newsletter. So what I really want is only the people who have signed up to my newsletter, and I'd like to see a bit more of their email, so I can just move that across. I can also change around the columns if I like. However, this one's fine. So what I want to do is I want to filter by the people who want the newsletter. So if I go up to filter and then show available filters, with newsletter I can see a true and false. So if I've ticked the box to say yes, they want to receive a newsletter, it will be true. If I hit submit, I can see that I need to add these clients to my newsletter. Now, if I save this as my default layout and filter, my report will always be set to this filter. So if I come up here and I click clients newsletter, I will only see clients who have opted in to receive the newsletter. Thank you very much for watching.